Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back, all you NFT junkies, all my fellow ninjas out there, and anybody else joining in this Saturday morning. Hope you're all having a great start to your weekend. I just wanted to bring you guys a little update here. I know I've been away a while, but wanted to bring you guys just something that I've found in the last couple days that I think is very useful and very helpful to anybody in the NFT space. So let's jump into this. I did have a little bit of a rebranding here, so I hope you guys all like, my new little updates, my new branding there. Anyway, we'll get into some Dune analytics here, looking at the overall market. Still pretty strong is a sense of yesterday, but coming on to a little bit of a lull. We'll see what today does. It's still very early, 11:30 Eastern, so we'll see what Bitcoin's looking like. Did make a pretty good jump to the upside yesterday. I think it probably broke the downward trend line there. So we'll just have to wait and see a little bit longer if this is a fake out breakout and we continue to the downside, or if we can hold support here and break higher. Same thing with Ethereum here. So big day yesterday, moving upwards still today too, with some good signs for that. But the next level of resistance, in my opinion, is right around 33.50. So we'll see, if we can get up there and break that, or see what happens really. But again, jumping into what I wanted to bring you guys today was NFT tool, NFT Nerds. The website for it, NFTnerds.ai. I'll leave that in the description for you guys so you can go ahead and find it pretty easily. But what is it? It's an NFT tool. How does it work? Well, let's see. You can buy stuff quicker than others, and the way that this works is just brilliant if you ask me. So it's everything that you want in an NFT tool outside of Ninjalerts, where you're able to track the top wallets like Prankski, Gary V, Steve Aoki, pretty much anybody, and you can make custom ones there too. But what NFT Nerds does is it gives you like literally everything. So you can set up custom alerts for contracts to buy instantly. All you have to do is confirm when your MetaMask is connected. You preset gas here, custom gas settings. Gives you, a gas tracker in the app. Gives you Ethereum price in the app. Super cool. What else does it do? Well, you can look at what's going on in the market by listings, trades of certain collections, or everything. Now, it is a little expensive, but the free version is all that I use, and again, still priceless for you. But NFT Nerds, floor price is 5. If you're in the NFT space, NFT trading every day, this is definitely something that I would look into, as 5 ETH is probably not much. You can make that in a week. So this tool here, dive back into it. It also has charting for floor price and tells you how thin or thick the floor will be. So let's go ahead and get into the actual tool. So here you can see, what's going on, and I'll go ahead and turn my sound on so you guys can hear these, but this is what one of the notifications looks like. You set up your alerts here, so you can select any collection, and then you can also give it a certain price and a certain rarity ranking that you want to target, right? So that's pretty cool if you're watching a project like Cool Dogs and I think it's like right around 0.15, 0.2. So if you want to see if it drops to 0.11 and pick yourself up one, well, you'll get an alert for that, and then you can buy it instantly from that alert. But what else does it do? I mean, you can see the overall market, and okay, here's another one, Crypto Coven. You can buy this for 4. And then we've got, all sorts of stuff here. I'll go ahead and turn this off so we don't get bothered by that. But going back into, how you can filter these, you can filter it by certain collections so that you only see these certain collections, and then you can do it by listing or by actual trades. So you're going to see these alerts, they're going to pop up for you so that you can execute. But if we go ahead and we just enter a bunch of projects in here, some of these ones that I've already got, you can go ahead and see. Now we're getting one for Alpha Girls there. Oops. Does get a little hard when you're trying to show somebody something, I guess, on the stream here. But yeah, so we'll add another one here so we can get a lot of at least somewhat action. So you can see, based on your filters on the collections that you want to watch, they will have listings up here and they will have trades up here. Also, it does give you, trending by 7-day, 1 day, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5, 1. Those are going to be available on the premium. And you can pay for premium. I think it's like 0.15 for 1 month or 0.5 ETH for 6 months. Might be a good deal. The entire, lifetime pass is 5 ETH, so maybe you can buy 6 months of it, hustle your way up to buy an entire pass for your lifetime, then you don't have to worry about it. Made you that money and it's free. So how cool is that? But anyway, going back to these individual projects, and you can look into them, you can find out, what's going on here. Get an in-depth look at the trades that are happening. You get this spot chart, pretty sweet. You can, see the trends exactly like a, stock market. And then the other thing that it has here is going to be, these listings here. So you can have a ladder or just a bar graph, but as you can see, the floor looks like it's right about 4. So you have one sale until it's a 4 ETH floor. And then if you want, you go to the ladder, which is pretty cool. You can see, to get to about 5, you just need 15 to sell. So that's pretty cool. It does have, a little more info on other projects here. So we can go ahead and take a look. Okay, so it keeps updating your alerts. We'll go ahead and turn this off. Delete that one so that we can look at some other ones here and not be bombarded by alerts. So we'll check out Mecha Apes, and you can see, the rarities, the ranking, all that, supply, royalty. And then we'll look into, the actual project and see, what's going on. A lot here down at the bottom on the floor, as you'll be able to tell. But then again, you see, these very useful like floor pricing charts, listing, analytical tools here. And again, you can see that in order to get to a 0.5 ETH floor, 44 sales. But then you also have people that are going to come in and list theirs to try to get their profit. So, it just gives you an estimate on, what the floor looks like, how thin it is, or how thick it is at certain price points. And that'll help you, judge what you want to sell yours at. Then you can see over here, it does do like a ranking sales list here too. So you can see, what's listed at what ranking for what price. So awesome, awesome tool here. And we'll go ahead and delete all these here so you guys can get a really good idea of just what it looks like in general when you're just watching this thing go, right? So let's just watch this thing. And this is a good way too where you can kind of pick up on projects by what's trending and then add them to your, so to say, watch list here, and you just get everything that you need. So that's why I wanted to bring you guys this. Very, very useful, and it is free to an extent. So that's awesome. An update from Ninjalerts too, the tool that I mentioned where you track the top wallets. You can now you can see what they do. Most minted by the top wallets, most bought by the top wallets, and most sold by the top wallets. So again, just gives you a good idea of the market and what projects are good, right? Because all these top tier, top wallets, the top 1,000 profitable wallets here in the Ninja rankings. So you get to see the trends, you get to see what they're doing, and then, you can add like Steve Aoki. Got an alert, you can check all his alerts here. That's another newer update that they came out with recently. But I wanted to just kind of show you guys that as, that's another tool that I use, and I'm sure you guys all know about that if you've watched before. But the big news today is going to be NFT Nerds. I just found out about it a couple days ago and wanted to, again, just share this tool with you guys that you can use for free to help you on your trades. So I hope that was, useful and educational for you, and you got a good idea of, what you can expect here, and that you can go out and use this and, it helps you make profit. So if I was able to help you out, please, please, please give me a like, give me a subscribe. I'll be continuing to, bring you useful information. And I do have a Discord set up, so you guys can come join my Discord. I've got an NFT spreadsheet that I just shared that I, kind of created these on my own, an NFT research guide, and an advanced NFT research guide, all available for you in my Discord. And then also, I have kind of done a rebranding, if you couldn't tell, across all my platforms, and I'm starting a consultation service. Consultation service. And with that, not only will I work with you individually, but I'll work, with an entire team to, answer any questions that they may have on how to have a successful NFT launch. And then all that information is available on my link tree, which is on my YouTube channel. So again, if you guys are, looking for useful information, looking for, different ways that you can gain advantages in the NFT space, please, 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 again, I thank you for all your support. Go ahead, keep liking all my videos, share them with your buddies, and again, please subscribe if you haven't yet. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend as it is Saturday. So go ahead and enjoy yourselves. Take some time for yourself. Make sure that, you're keeping yourself mentally and physically healthy. So that's all I got. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and until next time, peace.